Are we catching fish with our bare hands? Well, today we're going to show you how we recently spent our weekend. You'll see that we like to have lots of fun even during shelter in place. So it's a Sunday and we're heading to Pacifica State Beach, which is about a 20 to 30 minute drive from our house. So we're here at the beach. We have our picnic blanket out and our fish carrying case. I wonder what we're going to do here today. So there's not many people today since it's really windy. You do see some surfers and some people just hanging out on the beach. People are practicing social distance since we're supposed to be at least 6 feet apart from each other. And what is Kento doing? Is he digging a hole? He seems super happy, maybe because he hasn't been to a beach like this in a while. Is he going to continue doing this? I think maybe so. Oh, I think he's done.
What are you doing?
And now what?
It's so windy. 風がすごい強い. It's our first time going to a state beach after the shelter-in-place order.
The kids are busy playing in the sand. So today it's really windy and cold, so you don't see many people wearing summer clothes. But you do sometimes see some kids and some adults too wearing their bathing suit. Here, Rina and her friends, they're trying to find fish and any kind of sea animal, sea creature. This is our fish carrying case that we have and we bring along to the beach almost every day. We live close to a beach, so Rina and Kento go to the beach almost every morning. It's not a really nice beach like this though. It feels great to be outdoors like this and to just relax. And just FYI, we decided to keep the tadpole. We're going to see if it does turn into a frog. And let's hope that it does and does not die at our house. Here, Kento and his friend are tickling each other and laughing so much. They're so cute together. They just keep on tickling each other and just laughing and laughing. The older kids are having fun, getting wet, and enjoying the waves. So we like to spend time outdoors even during times like this. This seems like how we spend our weekdays too. Right now, I feel like there's no difference between the weekend and weekday. I hope you enjoyed getting a glimpse of our weekend routine. And see you next time. Thanks for watching.